Hey, so originally I was going to show you how to put new carpet into a 2001 Mitsubishi Eclipse. Instead, since it looks like it's going to get dark pretty soon here, I'm used to it getting dark at like 9. It gets dark at like 6 now, so anyway, I'm going to show you how to do something else with your interior. Again, it's for a 2001 Mitsubishi Eclipse, and instead of doing the carpet, we're going to do the rear speaker panels. It's super easy, it takes 5 minutes. Really simple. All you need is a screwdriver, and let's do it. Alright, so don't mind the car. Again, I got it for 200 bucks, so you know, definitely needs some work. But as you can see, panel is right here, goes around, and basically all you need to do is take a flathead screwdriver and push it, tab in. This car seems to love its tabs. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. Okay. So all you do is just push it in so that it come out. And I believe there's a couple, yeah. And you just pull the rest out, and voila. You get your old speaker panel, new speaker panel, and then the installation is just the reverse of the removal. Just guide it into its, oh sorry, first you want to get these tabs in. What a shocker, more tabs. So there's the one at the bottom. That one goes in first. Get this leaf out of the way. Okay, so that's at the bottom. Alright, we got them on the bottom and the sides. At least I hope. Sound good. Whatever. Just gonna act like that didn't happen. And there we go. Let's see how it looks like from the side. Cool. Seamless. I think I'm going to have to get this replaced. So there'll be another video on how to replace this backing because it looks like crap. As you can see, I'm going for the two-tone interior kind of deal.